ฉันยังคอย
Traders often look to enter long positions when prices break resistance, and conversely, enter short positions when prices break support. Since Ichimoku traders consider the Kumo to be significant support and resistance, they look to enter trades in the direction of the Kumo break. Of course, it will be wise to consider the other Ichimoku components for trade confirmation. Let us visit a couple of Kumo break examples. In this example, we see prices hit a thick Kumo resistance before a bullish Kumo break to the upside. Notice here again how a thin cloud offers little resistance. In this chart, we see prices consolidating inside the cloud before a nice bearish Kumo break. The Kumo then turns from support to resistance. So far so good? Excellent. Recall that the Kijun-sen often experiences flat horizontal periods. Similarly, the Senkou span B, being the 52-period price equilibrium, also experiences periods of flat lines. If the cloud is below price, these flat clouds are known as Kumo floors. As Kumo floors offer significant support, we can expect a strong bearish movement when penetrated. In this example, we see a Kumo floor stretching across the chart. Prices actually broke through the Kumo floors 3 times, the first 2 instances being fake breakouts, also known as fake outs. But the last break resulted in a strong bearish move. We will learn in the later sections how we can use, for example, the Chi-Cow, to protect traders from fake outs. Now, if the cloud is above price, flat clouds will be known as Kumo ceilings. Opposite to the Kumo floors, they offer significant resistance, with strong bullish moves expected if the Kumo ceilings are broken. Let's look at an example. In this chart, we see the flat tops of the clouds, known as Kumo ceilings. The Kumo ceilings were effective in keeping prices below the cloud, and when prices finally broke through the ceiling, a strong bullish move was evident. So far in this presentation, we have only explored how current price interacts with the current cloud. However, current prices are already forming clouds ahead, and this can provide us with valuable information as well. When we look 26 periods ahead, and span A is above span B, we can expect prices to be bullish. Conversely, when span A is below span B, we can expect prices to be bearish. As future cloud is future support or resistance, we can forecast if prices ahead have strong support or resistance. Therefore, Ichimoku allows us to look ahead and identify potential trend reversals. We will explain this with some examples. Here we see that current price is forming clouds ahead. Assuming we are already in a short position, we look ahead for signs of a reversal, so that we can decide whether to ride the trend or take profits. Looking ahead, we see that span A is still below span B, and that the cloud in front is getting thicker, offering strong future resistance. The bearish trend looks to have momentum, and traders will likely continue to ride the trend until new price information points to a potential reversal. For example, if future clouds begins to get thinner, traders can exercise caution because prices can easily break through thin clouds. Also related to future sentiment, we can observe the positions of Senkou span A and Senkou span B. Whenever they switch positions, it signals a potential trend reversal. Let us take a look at 2 examples. Assume you are at period A, clouds are already forming, 26 periods ahead, at period B. We notice something interesting, Senkou span A and B exchange positions, with span A climbing above span B. This is a bullish Kumo twist, as we observe a trend reversal, and the start of a bullish move from period A. On the same chart, we notice another Kumo twist ahead. Move yourself forward to period A. You observe that clouds are already forming at period B, 26 periods ahead. For this Kumo twist, span A moves below span B, resulting in a bearish Kumo twist. We therefore expected prices to potentially reverse downwards, as was the case. From these examples, we learn how the future cloud formations can aid us, by identifying future support, future resistance, as well as potential trend reversals. Now that you understand the basics of Kumo,